Microservice architecture is a group of loosely coupled services that works independently of each other. Failure in one service does not affect the other services in the system. Consider each service as a separate server or system. For example, you have a social networking website. So you can create one microservice that handles all functions of users, one microservice for managing posts, one microservice for comments, etc. Today, we are going to create such microservices in Node.js. First, we are going to create two microservices. One for handling users and one for posts. Then we will create a gateway that will route the API requests to the relevant service. Create a folder where all our microservices will be placed. Then I am going to open this folder in my code editor. Then create three folders. One for microservice users. One for microservice posts. And one for gateway that will route requests to these microservices. Then we need to open command prompt in each folder. First in users. Run npm init. But first, let's create a file named server.js in users folder. And in posts folder. And in gateway. Now run npm init in users folder. Press enter to set the default values. And install Express module in it. And then start the server using NoDaemon. Now open server.js file in users folder. Create an instance of Express module. Start listening to the server at port 3001. And display a message in console once server started running. Then we will define all our users' route in this service. Then we will open command in posts folder. Initialize it. Install Express module. And start server. We will copy-paste the code from user service. Just change the port number and message. You can define all your post-related routes in this service. I am using different port number, but you can use the same port only if each of your service is on a different server. Now we will open CMD in Gateway folder. Initialize it. Here we will install Fast Gateway module. And start the server. Open server.js of Gateway. And include the Fast Gateway module. Create an instance of Gateway. It will accept an object as an argument. Object will have roots key. And it will be an array. In each element of this array, we will define the prefix of incoming request. And the target service where that route should be redirected. This will be the base path of your user's service. So all incoming requests that starts with users will be redirected to the user service. Same goes for post. This will be the path of post service. After that, we will start the gateway server at port 3000 and display a message when the server started running. You can check it in browser. You can also create routes in this gateway as well. This will be the base route. So when the base path is accessed, this route will be called. But once I access the user's path, it will show me the response from user service. So all the requests will be sent to the gateway server, and gateway server will forward the request to the relevant service. So that's how you can create microservices in Node.js. I will mention the source code of this in the description of this video. Make sure you download it, and let me know if you face any issue in this.